Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Back to school is in the season right now, so you know I'm gonna give y'all this video, okay? I didn't want to do a drugstore inspired makeup look because I've already did one of those. So if you want like a drugstore friendly, beginner friendly, colored girl friendly, all of that type video, then definitely I will link it up here. It'll be linked down below and it'll be linked in the comments. I did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. You guys can definitely get a dupe for this. You can use NYX Brow Gel and Espresso. This is basically a dupe for that. But yeah, so I did my eyebrows, just made sure my eyelids are the same color. So now I'm about to go in with a moisturizer for my skin. So for my skin, I'm going to use the Dual Action Moisturizer by Clean and Clear. After I apply the base for my skin, I'm going to use a very inexpensive foundation. And this is my first time using this foundation on camera. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. And I am in color 440, which is Savannah. I'm using literally just a little bit of foundation. This foundation is extremely full coverage. So if you have acne prone skin and you know you want to get that full coverage look, especially for the first day of school, I would definitely recommend this foundation. It's very inexpensive and it retails for $20. Make sure you get the neck, you know what I'm saying? You don't want nobody talking about your neck, two different colors. Okay. I'm just gonna pat this lightly into my skin, and we just want to get a nice layer of foundation. My forehead is naturally darker than my like face, like other parts of my face, the lower half, so it always looks so much like lighter. Now I'm going to do some concealer, and I don't want to do anything too crazy. Like I said, we're going to school and we want to keep that natural look. So before I sit there and I do this whole triangle, I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this is in dark medium number 36, and I'm gonna take that and conceal my face. I usually go a little bit more crazy with the concealer, but you don't need all that. And I really want this look to be more when you're like first day of school, first week of school, you want to get that baddie look, you know what I'm saying? But after that, girl, we don't need to be doing all that, okay? Okay, so when you're at school, you definitely don't want to do any creasing. It's not cute. You want your makeup to look like this, flawless. So I'm going to set my face with the L'Oreal Mercier setting powder. If you want to invest into getting a L'Oreal Mercier, it is $23, and this is not even the full like thing. This is like the mini version, so it's still kind of expensive for the mini version, but this does last me a decent amount of time because I don't set my whole face with this. I just set like my under eyes, basically where I applied the concealer. So I just pour some in the top, and I'm just going to take the sponge and I'm just going to lightly pat that right under my eyes. And you want to be very light-handed with this. You don't want to go too crazy because you don't want to give a drying look. And honestly, like, this look is very natural, and I don't want you to think that you have to go like a full beat for school, you know what I'm saying? This makeup video is really for the girls that want to wear makeup for school and is allowed to. You can definitely go with just a foundation look, and like I don't know if you want to apply like some wing liner, whatever you want to do, but we're going to step it up just a little bit because we are back to school and it's a new year and we want to look like baddies. We are going to contour our face. So I definitely use the Ruby Kiss contour palette, and it has all these colors so you can play around to which one works for you. And I don't remember how much this is, but I got this at my local beauty supply store, and it's very inexpensive. And you don't have to bronze up your face for school, but for me, I have a very big head and a very big face, so like I sometimes need that extra, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this on my forehead, and I really like to bronze up my cheeks. The setting spray I'm gonna use today is going to be the matte finish from NYX. This is just a setting spray, very inexpensive. This setting spray was $7.99, so this is like a steal. If you wear lashes to school, you just really pop it. You could wear your 25 milliliter lashes, or the smaller one. I use the Iconic. These lashes are in number 19. very inexpensive. I think these lashes cost $3.99. Now I'm just gonna apply my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Let me make sure that's the right word. Yep, Fenty Glow. And yeah, that's the lip gloss I'm gonna use today for this look. This is the finished look, and I hope this is not too much for school. I hope you guys like this video. I tried to keep my products to a minimum. I don't want to pull out the Marc Jacobs foundation and the NARS concealer. That's too much because you guys are in school, and I don't know if you're working to afford the makeup or your parents are paying for it, but if your parents are paying for it, they're not spending an arm and leg for that. And if you're working, you want to save your money for things that are more important. So I hope you guys like this makeup look. I wanted to keep it very natural, nothing too crazy. You still gonna be popping, you still gonna be the apple of somebody's eye, okay? But you know, we're not gonna do too much, because we never do too much, because pretty girls don't have to do the most to be noticed, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys like this makeup look, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.